am back for this Nat Tuesday. I miss you guys. I know you've been seeing me on the community posts, but I am back for Nat Tuesday. Today I'm gonna take this African threading out. This is very old hair. It's been almost 2 weeks, a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. And I'm just gonna show you guys, after 6 to 8 weeks, you wanna be able to take the threads out and you want to clean your scalp really good, because if you're doing it once a week, if you're washing it with the threads in it, at some point you're gonna have to take everything out and then section your hair off and wash, like really thoroughly wash and give it a very good conditioner treatment. So I wanted to show you, and also I'm gonna do an actual length check on it, because with the threads on it, if you guys saw my previous video, I did a length check with the threads, but the hair can actually stretch a little longer than it really is with the threads in it. So I want you guys to see, how long it really is. So stay tuned for that. I have a new product out there called Length Check Hair Measuring Clip Tape. It's a hair measuring clip tape that clips to your hair and basically measures your hair in place without you having to feel around with holding it to the starting point of measuring your hair and all the way down your hair. You don't have to do that. You just clip it in place and you measure, and that's it. So you'll be seeing me demonstrate it again later. But if you are new, welcome. And if you want to know more about what I'm doing with my hair care journey and just some new upcoming products that I'm going to be putting out, hit the notification bell. First, you need to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for every video that I post. With that being said, let's just jump right into me doing my hair. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these bubbles off. Over time, because I don't really, lately I have not been spritzing my hair, so it just basically it seems dry, but I try to put a lot of oils and butters on it before putting the yarn on it. So as you guys can see, this is my ends. Okay, and all I'm doing is just taking the threads off. Now I'm not going to go through the whole video trying to do this because it's going to take up too much time, and I'm really not trying to do a lot of time today. I just want to show you guys. So I'm going to take all these loose and then I'll get back with you, okay? All right, stay tuned. All right, this is my atrophied hair. This is from the threading being on it. You'll notice that it looks a little thin. So we're going to transform this with just a little bit of water. So it's going to go from this to this. My hair is drinking up all this water. Look how it's swelling. Okay. I'm going to finish spraying the rest of this water on my scalp. Because I didn't do that, I just basically added it to my just the areas that was atrophied. And as you can see, my true volume is this. It's not what you saw earlier. I'm gonna put the bag on my hair, that way the root can kind of soften up a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to do a length check. So I will be back. All right, so I'm back. And my hair has filled up this bag. It's in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. And you can see all the volume and all the major shrinkage. Just major shrinkage. That's usually how it goes when you have this type of hair. So, let's see here. I got my length check tool here, and I'm going to take the little rubber band off of it. I'm unraveling it, so I am gonna have it up to 26 inches here. That looks like, yeah, about 26 inches. And then the rest of it, I'm going to put the rubber band back on it so this part stays coiled. This is the part that I don't need, even though I know my hair is not 26 inches. All right, so let me go ahead and just clip it. I'm gonna start here and then I'm gonna clip it. Let's clip this out of the way. All right, so now you can see that the shrunken part of my hair is about, look like between 4 and 5 inches. I want y'all to see that. 5, okay? Now that's shrunken. All right. Now I'm not gonna put my hair through the loop. I'm just gonna measure alongside it. So let me go ahead and get this ready to stretch. I'm gonna stretch this out. I wanna see just how long this hair is. So, gotta get on my tiptoes here. Let's see. Oh, wow. I want y'all to see this. This look like, let's see. This says 13 inches, y'all. You can see this, 13 inches. I'm gonna pull it out again so y'all can see. I'm pulling it out so you can see as it's stretching. You see that long little piece there, look, 13 inches. Now, when I had the treads on it, it only was 10, it showed 10 inches, about 10 inches. Because with the treads, they only stretch it so far. So this piece right here is 13 inches long. I can let y'all see. You see the hair in between my fingers there? Okay. And it's at 14. Let's go ahead and do a little length check on the side. Wow, I'm really excited because it's growing, you know. All right, so let me go ahead and get my length check clipped on to where I want it. I'll have to clip it on the top area there. Okay, so there's the starting point here. All right, let me take one of these. Woo, this is awesome. This is a nice tool. Y'all better get y'all one. Telling you. All right, so let me go down the tape. As you can see, my hair is alongside the tape. And it is, oh wow, it's right at 14 inches. There you go, 14. There's the hair right there, right at 14 inches, y'all. Woo, I'm so excited. Woo, and I didn't have to fiddle around with trying to put it up and, you know, anyhow, 14 inches. So 13 here, 14 here, 15 down here. I don't know what this part is, but more than likely it could be 13 or 14, maybe 14. So this concludes the video. I just wanted y'all to see how long my hair is getting, and we're gonna use these measurements as a baseline. Today is Nat Tuesday, and I believe it's April 30th, I think. You guys can check, but you'll see the published date on here. So this is a baseline. So in a few months, I would say 3 or 4 months, let's see how long it gets. So all right, I want to say goodbye to you guys, and if you've watched up until this point, this is a treat for you guys. I want to encourage you to get yourself this tool, because this tool is really going to help you keep track of your hair measurements. And I do have a blog that I want you to clip on. It's about some reasons why you should do regular length checks. And also, there's another link below that you can click on if you want to get regular, just regular daily routines or things you can do, or weekly routines that you can do for yourself to keep your hair, manageable. If you're not doing African threading and you're just doing other, methods of retaining your length, as far as protective style is concerned, just things you should do as far as nutrition or whatever. I'm gonna put out a checklist for you. So with that being said, I want to say goodbye to you all and thank you so much. I know I kind of look weird right now, but don't let this little shrinkage. In fact, the shrinkage shows 6 inches and I measured 14. So don't let shrinkage fool y'all. But until next time, I'll see y'all next week on Nat Tuesday. Much love to you guys, many blessings. I love you all, and you take care and God bless. I'm actually getting a phone call, so I'll talk to y'all soon. Mwah. God bless you.